everyone, my name is Unnati Gupta and I am from class 7th. So today I'm going to show you my chemistry experiment in which I'm going to make a rock candy. So I am really excited to make this and I hope you're also really excited. So let's get started. So here I have a cup of sugar which I'm going to put it. So this is 1 cup of sugar and I have a 1 cup of water. So I have put a cup of sugar and a cup of water. So now I'm going to boil it and to make a sugar syrup of it. So now my sugar syrup is all ready and I'll let it set for 3 to 4 hours and I'll meet you after some time. So now my sugar syrup is set for 3 to 4 hours and now we'll keep it aside and we will move to our next step. So here I have 3 glasses. You have to make sure that these glasses are long and narrow to let the rock candy stay in this. So I have 3 food colors in here: red, yellow and green. So I'm gonna put a little bit in each one of them. We don't have to put a lot, we just have to put a little bit so that the color of the rock candy changes. So now as we put all the 3 colors, so now we are going to put the mixture in all of these 3 glasses. I'll meet you after pouring this mixture. Here I have 3 glasses and I have poured my sugar syrup in these. So now I have made a structure like this to stand my travel stick in this, and now I am going to pour this in this once and then just toast it around in this and then let it settle in this. So same thing I will do with all of these 3 sugar syrup glasses, and then I will meet you after 3 to 4 days in which these sugar syrup will settle and become rock candy. So now I am back here after 4 days and I can see the crystals forming here. So now I'll just take a normal butter knife and I will just crack the upper layer which is formed over there. So let's do it. So here I have this green rock candy. I'm just gonna crack the upper layer. So it is almost cracked and we will just take it out, the rock candy. I'll take these all rock candies out and I'll meet you after that. So here I took all these 3 sugar crystals out, rock candies out, and this red one took me a little more time and effort, but I just dipped this bowl in hot water for 5 minutes and it came out proper. So now these candies I then let them dry for 30 minutes and now these rock candies are ready. So now my rock candies are ready and these came out really pretty good. They look so pretty and I really enjoyed making these rock candies, and this was my experiment of making the rock candies. I hope you really enjoyed it and thank you for watching.